is all you'll need to make my creamy fish pie. Some fish, of course. I'm going with salmon, cod, sea bass and prawns, but you can use any fish you like really, especially if it's on offer. You're also going to need some butter, celery, an onion, carrot, potatoes, a couple of cloves of garlic, some fresh parsley, cream cheese, milk and plain flour. First thing we're going to do is wash and prepare your veg, and then we're going to cut them into little chunks. Same goes for your carrot and your onion. Into a pan with a little oil, and then in go your chopped up veg. You're going to gently fry them for around 5 minutes, just until they soften down a bit. Into a saucepan, we're going to gently heat some milk. You don't want it to boil or anything, you just want to warm it through. Then into there, going with a bit of salt and pepper. And a couple of bay leaves. With your milk warming up, it's time to get on with your fish. I like to take the skin off my fish because it's good stuff for making fish stock. Then onto the fish itself. You want nice large chunks. I know we'd all like little chunks that fit on a fork, but you want large, otherwise your fish will just flake and you'll end up with some mush in a pan instead of nice fish chunks. Time to take out your bay leaves. Then in you go with your 2 garlic cloves, and then we're just going to place the fish in there. You don't want to cook the fish through, you're just going to colour it for 2 or 3 minutes. Once your fish have had 2 or 3 minutes, time to place them into your oven dish. With your fish out the milk, time to go on with some of your prawns, and then on with your fresh parsley. So into a pan with your butter, just going to melt that down. Once your butter's melted away, time to go in with some flour and get that mixed in. Once that's come together, just give it a minute to cook out the flavour of the flour. We're not after that. And that is your jus sauce. Into there, we're going with some cold milk. And get that all mixed together. You'll notice, after you put some cold milk in, it thickens up nicely. It looks like mashed potatoes. So in with a bit more cold milk and get that mixed in. Again, like really creamy mash. So into there, I'm going with the milk that you've had the fish in, that's cooled down a bit, and that's going to add all that fishy flavour. Then when that's all come together, so it's something like that, thick milk, time to go in with your cream cheese. With your sauce nice and creamy, time to get back to your main bowl. You're going in with the veg from earlier. And then it's onto there with your sauce. Then put that to one side to seep in to your veg and fish, and it's time to get your potatoes on the boil. When your spuds are done, get some nice dollops of butter in there and get them mashed. Then it's time to put your mash onto your fish pie, and that's going to go in the oven at 180 degrees. When it comes out the oven, hopefully it looks something like that. It's time to get it dished out and eaten.